Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna read our two new books. So our two new books, we have Fly Guy Presents Insects, and then we have Persian Cats. So which one do you want to choose? This one or this one? Want to do Persian Cats? Okay. I got this from the school library. Persian Cats by Meredith Dash. Look at this one. Oh, it has so much fur. Here's the table of contents. Persian cats. Persian cats are beautiful. They also have sweet personalities. Okay. I think I need to move a little so you can see. Persian cats have long, shiny coats. Brushing them daily would keep their coats healthy. That's actually true. It might be as a fact. Persian cats come in many different colors. And look at the image. They're so cute, right? Okay. Persian cats have very round, flat faces. They have small noses. Persian cats have small ears and large round eyes. Persian cats have long, short, strong legs. Their tails are short and thick. Persian cats are not jumpers or climbers. You usually will not find them in high places. So they cannot climb or jump because they're not jumpers or climbers. Personality. Persian cats prefer a calm environment. However, they can get along with children and dogs. I didn't know that. Persian cats love the company of others. They are happy to sit near you or play a game. And that's the end. And there's some more books about cats. We have Calico cats, Maine Coon cats, Manx cats, Scottish Fold cats, Siamese cats, and that's all. So now we're gonna read about insects. I'm ready because I love insects. However, some of them might sting you because they have a stinger. And there's venom inside it. Fly Guy Presents Insects by Ted Arnold. Okay. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name. Buzz! Okay, I think here. Buzz and Fly Guy were outside. Fly Guy wanted to look for insects. Buzz was a little worried. Some insects are scary, he said. Lies? I know, Fly Guy. You're an insect, said Buzz, and you are not scary. I have nothing to be afraid of. They set off to discover more. So I think they're going to learn about insects. And he's right. Some insects can be creepy. And some of them might be harmful for you. There are more than 1 million different kinds of insects. Insects live all over the world. They live on every continent. even Antarctica. So insects, they only live in continents, but except for Antarctica because it's a cold place. Many people call insects bugs, but not all insects are bugs. A bug is a kind of insect. Bugs have a mouth shaped like a straw. Two bugs include milkweed bugs, boxwood bugs, and stink bugs. Okay, so let's see here. So, insects have been Earth for hundreds of millions of years. They crawled and buzzed around even before the dinosaurs. Long ago, insects were much bigger than they were today. A giant dragonfly's wings stretch over 2 feet long. That's the same wingspan of an Arctic puffin. So, I think this is a diary of Buzz. I think this is Buzz's diary. So, let's see here. An insect, hold on. All insects have a life cycle. A life cycle is made up of the changes that happen to an insect from the beginning of its life until it dies. Most insects hatch from eggs. The insect that grows into a larva. Fly larvae are called maggots. Maggots. I think. Hold on. There we go. Larvae molt or get rid of their old skin to grow bigger. Okay. Next, the insect becomes a pupa. The pupa hides in a shell or cocoon. There, it changes into an adult. This is called a metamorphosis. I've learned that in first grade. Now I'm in second. Some insects, such as aphids, give birth to life young. So this is a life cycle. It starts as an egg, then a larva, and then a pupa, and then an adult. I think they're fast growers. Okay, so this might scare off your socks. A lifespan is the amount of time that a creature lives. Insects do not all have the same lifespan. Adult mayflies live for only 1 or 2 nights. So this is a picture of a mayfly. It looks like a dragon to you, right? Some insects, such as a queen ant, can live up to 30 years. That's so many. And there is an anthill. And that's the ants' shelter. Keep them safe. Insects have cool bodies. Mammals, like humans, have bones on their inside, but insects wear their hard parts on the outside. This is called an exoskeleton. And here's the picture of a rhino beetles. An insect's body is made up from 3 parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. And I also learned that in art class. Excuse me. The head is where the eyes, mouth parts, and antennae are found. Antennae helps insects taste, smell, touch, and even hear. The thorax is the middle part of an insect. It holds his legs. All insects have 6 legs. A thorax also holds the wings, if the insects have them. The abdomen holds the insect's stomach. If the insect has a stinger, it is found there. Spiders have 8 legs. They are not insects. because they have so much legs. They have like 2 more. So now here about honeybees and bumblebees though. Insects such as wasps, hornets, and some ants have stingers. Most of them use their stingers to protect themselves. And here's a honeybee. It says honeybees die after they use their stinger. And after they sting a person, their abdomen breaks, which makes them die after stinging. So here, wait, where are we? Yeah. Some wasps use their stingers to catch food, like a human skin. Yeah, that's like yucky. And some stingers might have venom inside it, which is harmful for humans. Hornet, and here's a bullet ant stinger. Stingers! Usually insects do not sting humans, but some insects will sting humans when they think they are in danger. Okay, here. A red ant is a red ant ready to sting. For most people, insect stings are simply annoying and slightly painful or itchy. But some people are allergic to insect stings. They should seek medical care right away if stung. Wait, this might be disgusting. Look, there's cockroaches. Yuck! Okay. Not all insects eat the same food. Many insects munch on plants. Butterflies eat nectar from flowers. A swallowtail butterfly. And there's also a blue morpho butterfly, which is kind of pretty. Other insects such as mosquitoes eat blood. That's disgusting. Blood is salty. Has salt inside it. And if you eat too much salt, our blood might get bigger and it makes our heart pump harder. So you don't want your heart to pump harder because that might be harmful. So other insects such as mosquitoes eat blood. To avoid bites, wear long sleeves like me. And pants. I also have long sleeves too. See, these are jeans, but not ripped. And use insect repellent when outdoors. Yeah, because they might sting you. Sometimes they might sting you on your face. Okay, here. Insects such as cockroaches, those are disgusting. And ants eat almost anything, even crumbs on floors. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. If crumbs fall on the floor, they get dirty. And why does cockroaches and ants eat crumbs on the floor? That's disgusting. Because crumbs can get dirty if it's on the floor. Fly guy, that's gross. Why does Fly Guy love trash? That makes me laugh. Okay, I think we're close to finish the book. Insects also have different ways of eating. Some insects, like grasshoppers and caterpillars, chew their food. Other insects suck it up using a special body part called a proboscis. So this is a caterpillar, and this is a grasshopper. So here, mosquitoes suck up food up like they are drinking through a straw. That's what people do. And if some people don't like to drink it with their mouth, they can use a straw to drink better. Mosquitoes suck up food. Wait, we passed that. The straw is the proboscis. Mosquito proboscis, and there's a picture of a mosquito. So slurp, 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 slurp. Just making up a song. So, oh. Now this page, it's all about fireflies. Some insects seem to have superpowers. There are insects that can glow. This is called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence. Fireflies. Fireflies, also called lightning bugs, are not really flies or bugs. They are beetles. They have special chemicals in their abdomens. When the chemicals meet oxygen, the firefly's abdomen light up. Oh. Fireflies use their light to help find other fireflies. They also light up to warn animals not to eat them. The glowing chemicals taste bad because those chemicals, I think they might be poisonous. They're insects that can survive underwater. I didn't know insects could live underwater. A jellyfish, and it's not an insect. It's an underwater animal. That can survive underwater. And some can live in very hot deserts, like a desert locust. And a diving beetle can survive underwater. Look at these cool ones, though. The world is full of amazing insects. There's a fairy fly. Fairy flies are the smallest insects on Earth. These wasps can only be seen by a microscope. The longest insect is the Chan's megastick. It is 22 inches long. That's so many. Wait, hold on. I think that's better. Harvest ants are the most poisonous insects on the planet. I didn't know they were poisonous. Okay. In the air, the southern giant Donner dragonfly is the speediest insect. It can fly as fast as a car. It going 35 miles per hour. Again, cockroaches. I hate them. Cockroaches. On land, the speed record goes to the cockroach. Cockroaches can run at about 3.5 miles per hour. Cockroaches are tough. They can live for days without a head. I didn't know that. Oh. You've got to be kidding me. Look at this fly. It looks like a compound eye. Look at this eye. It's a compound eye. Flies are amazing insects. There are about 120,000 species or types of flies. That's a lot. All flies are in order to Diptera, and a person who studies or collects flies is called a dipterist. Flies' eyes are special. They have compound eyes. Compound eyes are not good at seeing far away. They are great at detecting movement. Nice! Compound eyes have many different lenses to see out of. Each eye can have to 30,000 different lenses. Okay, let's see here. If something gets close, a fly can plan an escape route less than 1 second. I didn't know that. So, Most flies don't bite animals, but some flies, like deer flies and horse flies, do. They drink blood. Again, blood is made. Blood is actually salty. If you taste it, it'll taste bad. Well, not really though. Last time I had a nosebleed. The blood came out of my nose, so I had to go to the bathroom, and I put the water inside my nose, and it didn't work. So I had to use a tissue, and I rubbed it, and I put it in my nose, and I put it like 5 minutes. That's what happened, a nosebleed. Flies sleep a lot. They sleep between 9 and 15 hours. That takes a lot. Each night. They are speedy flyers. A fly can zoom around at 45 miles per hour. A fly's wings beat 200 times per second. Yeah, that's a lot. Okay, so let's see here. Scientists who study insects are called entomologists. Entomologists at work. Entomologists sometimes go to expeditions or special trips to look for insects. They study insects where they live, and they live everywhere. Insects live in tree tops, in hot deserts, underground, or on animals, and even in frozen Antarctica. Millions of insects live in tropical rainforests. Most of them live in a canopy layer, or the tops of the trees. As many as 1,000 different types of insects have been found in just one tree in a rainforest canopy. A canopy layer. So let's see here. Let's see here. Insects are good for the world. They are part of the food chain. They can be food. Ew, that's disgusting. Have you ever been eating an insect like these two? Yeah, that's disgusting. They're part of the food chain. They eat plants and other insects, and they can be food to other animals too. People can eat insects. In Thailand, grasshoppers make a tasty snack, and fancy restaurants in Mexico serve ants' eggs. You kidding me? That's disgusting. Insects are important to us. Plants would not be able to grow without them. When insects such as bees and butterflies land on flowers, they pollinate them. Only then can fruits and vegetables grow. Bees on honeycomb. Bee pollinate a cherry tree. Bees also make honey. Yum. And yes, honey, they're delicious. They have natural sugar inside it, which don't cause allergies. I used to eat so much sugar, and I got allergies. These are allergies because I ate too much sugar. And this is the last page. Insects are great, said Buzz. I didn't know they were so amazing. Now Buzz knew for sure that Fly Guy was the coolest pet on the planet. Buzz and Fly Guy couldn't wait for their next adventure. And there's some more books, like Fly Guy Presents Sharks, Fly Guy Presents Space, Fly Guy Presents Dinosaurs, Fly Guy Presents Fighter Fighters, and insects. So let's read this. Fly Guy is buzzing outside today. Come along to learn about I think that I stand for insects. I think. Yeah. So thank you for checking out my channel or my 2 new books. These ones. If you did, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and like the video and share it with your friends. Bye bye.